Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install a WordPress theme using WP File Manager. So guys, here you can see in the dashboard, now we can check the theme that we have installed. So I have installed Asta WordPress theme, and here you can see these are some other themes. So now I want to add another theme using WP File Manager plugin. Just we need to click here, and after that here you can see WP File Manager. So these are all the options that you can see in the cPanel File Manager. Now we need to go in the WP content. After that here you can see themes. So now these are our installed themes. Now if I want to upload new theme, just click here, upload files, then we can select our theme file, and I have here various themes. Just I want to add here, so I'll add. So guys, here you can see theme file is uploading and it will take few seconds. So guys, here you can see our theme installation is complete, but we need to complete one step. Just we can extract the files, then click yes. Alright, we have extracted our file. Now we don't need this zip file. Just we can delete, then refresh the page. So guys, here you can see we have installed a new theme. Just we can activate it. We need to click activate button. So in this way you can easily upload your files using WP File Manager plugin.